Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. This is Mr. Halusain Jibril Sise of the Halul Bait Servant Mission Computer Training Center. Today we are going to do a brief introduction on how to correct the time and date na your computer, right? So it's no time to waste. We get two ways, right? Both these ways you go use another Windows 8 operating system, Windows 10 operating system, and even the Windows 7 operating system. For now we are going to use the Windows 7 operating system, but any one of the sort you pass, you will be able to talk for any one of the operating system. So today the first thing we are going to do is I'm going to show you the first way, right? The first way is you go to you take the mouse, you go to the start menu, see the start menu, see start, you click, then this menu will pop up for you, right? When this menu pop up, you see when you click, you go to this location where we have the control panel. This is the control panel, right? So when you click to the control panel, you see all sorts of adjustments. Say adjust your computer setting. You see under this adjust your computer setting, we have system, network, and so on and so forth, right? But our main focus here is on the clock, language, and region. So we click to the clock, language, and region. This is the information that we are going to get, right? You see this information says date and time, set the time and date, change the time zone, add clock for different time zone, add the clock gadget to the desktop. You see, so we are going to click to this date and time, and this is the information we are going to have, right? You see the heading, it says date and time, under which we have date and time, additional clock, internet time. But our main focus here is the date and time, and we've already clicked to the date and time. See, these are the information under the date and time. Now under the date and time, we have what we refer to as change date and time, change time zone, right? So under this time zone, under this change date and time is where we are going to correct the date and the time. So we click to change date and time. You see, these are the information, both date and time, two information for us to correct. Okay, so no time to waste. Let's say it's 2020 July 22nd 2020 July, and the day is the 22nd. So what are we going to do? We focus first on the year. We forget about the month, we forget about the day. We focus first on the year. Let's say now we have 2020 year. In a case where there is no 2020 year, right? It's another year. Let's say 2019 or 2021 or 2022. Our main focus is the year. So we click to the year twice for us to see all the years, 2008, 2021, 2019, 2018, for us to see all the years. So we click first, then we click again. See, now we have all the year. We are just going to use this arrow to the left and this arrow to the right to navigate through the years for us to see all the years. So our main focus here is what? Is 2020, 2020, right? Okay, so we click to the 2020. You see, as we click to the 2020, what happened? It disappeared, right? So now it will take us direct to what? To the month. So what month are we in? July. Okay, look at July. And then when we click to the July, back home, you see another thing happen. What happened now? You see, it takes us direct also to where? It takes us to the day. So today, the day for today is the 22. Let's say 22. So when we click, then again we click to the 22. See what's happened. So we have now the 22 or the 22nd July 2020. See, so we are done with this. Now we go to the time. The time we have the hour, the minute, the second, and the AM and the PM also. You see, so we are going to focus first on the what? On the hour. We do it we do it one by one, right? So now, for example, now we have 10:52 a.m. We have 10:52 a.m. So what are we going to do? We go to the hour. We click to the hour here. Then you see there are two arrows here, the 1 point up and the 1 point down. So we use the one up to increase the hour, then we use the one down to decrease the hour. Let's say it's 10:53 now. So you see we go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 53. Okay, let's say we are going to say first, let's say 10:55. Okay, it's our time. Okay, then it's AM. So if it's not AM, we use the same arrow to find the AM. You see, so then we are done. You see, the time is 10:55, 26 seconds AM. So when we are done with this, what are we going to do next? We go to OK. You see now the time is running. If you check over here, we have what we refer to as the date. The date, Wednesday, July 22nd, 2020. Okay, and if you go to here, you see time is 10:55. You see 10:55. What? 47. Okay, 48, 49. That's the seconds, right? And AM. So when we are done, we say OK. Then we close OK. See, this is to show that we are done. So again, this is just the first way. The second way is where we are going to the system tree. Here is the system tree. See, this is the system tree, the system tree, the system tree. What are the system tree? What do we have? We have the time and date, we have the graphic, we have the network, we have also the volume, we have the battery system, and we have information or action center, and we have antivirus. If there is any antivirus here, yes, there is an antivirus, is running, and the memory stick that we plugged into the computer also. These are all the information. So when we want to use this particular system tree to correct the time, it's very simple. What are we going to do? We go to the time. When we click to this time, you see this information will pop up. So when this information pop up, you will see where they say change date and time setting. So you click to change date and time setting. You see what you see? These are also the information that we need when we go to the control panel. When we go through the start menu, the control panel, and so on and so forth. You see, these are the same information: change date and time, change time zone. So you see, you know now where we are going to go, right? Or you know where we are going to click. Where? Change date and time. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. See, change date and time. You see the same information. If you want to change the year, you click to the year twice. Then after that, you click to the particular year. Then it will pop up the month. After the month, it will pop up the day. You choose your day. You choose the 22. Okay, 22nd. Okay, still correct. And then you go to the time, the hour, the minute, the seconds, and the AM and the PM. So when you are done with these things, you are done. Then you say the same thing. Okay. This is just, or these are the two ways in which we can use to correct the time and the dates on your PC. Alright. So thank you for watching. See you next episode.